Number 7. Patents. Patents are awesome. For those of you unfamiliar with them, when you invent something new, you can protect your invention by filing a patent. It's a document that certifies you as the inventor and describes in detail what your invention does. With this protection in place, companies have to pay money in order to use your innovation. If they don't, you get to sue them. Patents are incredibly powerful and valuable in the business world. A single patent can make you rich, and all the best inventions are backed by patents. Just to put things into perspective, here are most of the US patents received last year. And here's the company with the most US patents granted every year. But it's not just big companies that rely on patents. Remember the Slinky? It made over $3 billion in sales. Scott Stillinger invented the Koosh ball, which got bought out by Hasbro for $100 million.